Today we are going to learn change the degree. I am going to change the degree signaling, and you know that there are three forms of the degree: positive, comparative, and superlative. If they are given tall in positive, it will be taller in comparative and tallest in superlative. It means what? You have to join ER in the comparative and you have to add EST in the superlative. Suppose they have given beautiful, then it will be more beautiful and most beautiful in the superlative. Getting now? And suppose they have given small, then it will be smaller and smallish. But there are some exceptional. These both are some exceptional cases. Suppose they have given good, then it will be better and best. Not good, gooder and goodest, because good, better and best will be there. Okay, getting now? And suppose they have given bad, then it will be worse and worst, either in the comparative and in the superlative form. These all are the conversion of positive, comparative and superlative form. Suppose they have given big, then it will be bigger and biggest in the superlative simultaneously. Okay. Suppose they have given long, then it will be longer in comparative and longest in the superlative. So these all are the conversion of positive, comparative and the superlative form. Understood now? Okay. Now I am going to teach you how to convert superlative to comparative and comparative to positive. Sometimes change the degree, they will give in superlative form one of the, and sometimes they will not give in the sentence one of the. Now suppose given sentence is without one of the, given sentence is without one of the, and you have to convert it into the comparative, and after that you have to convert it into the positive. Okay. So now suppose Ram is the tallest boy given sentence. It is in the superlative form. Now you have to convert it into the comparative as well as you have to convert it into the positive. So first of all you will write Ram is as it is. You will write Ram is as it is. Remove the from the sentence. Remove the from the sentence. Write comparative form of the tallest. What is the comparative form of the tallest? You have to write taller. Tallest is going to be converted into taller. So I have written here taller. Okay. Ram is tall. After comparative form. After comparative form, you must write. After comparative form, you must write than any other. You must write than any other. So it will be Ram is taller than any other boy. It is fixed. After comparative form, you have to write than any other, and remaining part of the sentence you have to write as it is. Getting it? Suppose now you have to convert this given sentence into the positive. Whenever you have to convert in positive, you must write in the beginning no other. You must write in the beginning no other. So I can write here no other. No other. After that, this boy you can write, and it is no other boy is. After that, as positive form of the tallest, as tall as, and after that what you have to write? Subject. What subject they have given? Ram. So I can write here Ram. Getting enough? Now next sentence look here. Pushpa is the most beautiful girl. Given sentence is Pushpa is the most beautiful girl. So you can write Pushpa is. The you have to remove from the sentence. Most beautiful is going to be converted into more beautiful. Most beautiful is going to be converted into more beautiful in the comparative form. After comparative form, just now I told you, you have to write than any other. What do you have to write? Than any other. So you can write Pushpa is more beautiful than any other girl. Okay, now understood. Now again, it is in the comparative. Now you have to convert it into the positive form. Whenever you have to convert it to positive, I told you, you have to write in the beginning no other. You have to write in the beginning no other. In the beginning you have to write. So no other. After that I told you, remaining part of the sentence no other girl is. After that as. And here in the middle of this as what you have to write? Positive form of the main verb. What you have to write? Positive form of the main verb you have to write. So most beautiful, more beautiful, and in positive you have to write beautiful. No other girl is as beautiful as. Again you will write here what? Pushpa. Again now, understood? If they have given in the sentence one of the, if the given sentence is with one of the, at that time you have to convert in comparative and positive. So first of all you have to write Tata is as it is. Okay. Now in this sentence they have given one of the form. So you must remove one of the from the sentence. First one. After that, rich is going to be converted to richer, and after that, in the previous sentences we have written than any other. In the previous sentences we have written than any other. But now here they have given one of the. So instead of writing any other, you have to write than many other or most other. Many other, or you can write most other in the sentence. Again, now what I am saying. Why I am going to write here many other or most other? Because they have given here one of the. And when the given sentence is without one of the form, I have written here than any other. It is one of the, so you have written than many other or most other. Remaining part as it is. Man in India, remaining part as it is here. Right? But now here in positive, here one of the is given. In the previous sentences, without one of the, so I have written here no other. But now here they have given one of the, so instead of writing no other, you have to write very few. What do you have to write? Very few. Then you write man, very few men in India. The remaining part same rule. Very few men in India are as. Now what do you have to write? Richest, richer, and it will be rich. Very few men are as rich as. You will write Tata. Now here India is one of the most crowded countries. According to rule, first of all you have to write India is. You must remove from the sentence one of the. Now most crowded is going to be converted into more crowded. Most crowded is going to be converted into more crowded. India is more crowded than. Then what you will write here? Many other countries. Then many other or most other countries. In positive, according to rule, one of them is given. So you have to write here very few. Very few countries are as crowded as. Very few countries are as crowded as. Very few countries are as crowded as India. Where you will use very few and many other if they have given one of the in the sentence. And if they are given without one of them, you have to write any other as well as you have to write no other in the positive. Here I have written some rule of without one of the form and with one of the form. I have written here some rules for the whenever given sentences without one of them and whenever given sentences with one of the form. Understood? So whenever given sentences without one of form, in comparative degree you have to write than any other, compulsory. You have to write than any other after comparative form. It is very important rule. And in positive degree, write no other in the beginning. In positive degree, you have to write no other in the beginning. It is the format for what? Without one of the. Whenever given sentences without one of the, at that time you have to use what? Than any other in the comparative form and no other in the beginning in the positive form. Okay. Now, suppose in second time, if the given sentences with one of the form. If they have given one of the, then in comparative form you have to write than many other or most other. What do you have to write? Than many other or most other in the sentence. What do you have to write? Than many other or most other in the sentence. Because they have given one of the in the sentence. Instead of any other, you are going to write many other or most other. Instead of any other, you write many other or most other in the comparative form. But now, whenever they have given one of the in positive, you must correct very few in the beginning. You correct very few in the beginning, and remaining rules are same. Accordingly, without one of them. Understood? These all are change the degrees rules with without one of the and with one of the form.